Alright, this is going to be a quick video showing how you can build an automation inside of Glow that takes a sales prospect from your Google Calendar and does research on them using Firecrawl Agent, and it creates a report based on their LinkedIn or their other social media or their website, their company, and delivers it to you so that you can read up and learn about them before you meet with them. So basically the way that this works is it will read an event or multiple events from your Google Calendar, and then it will format this to be looped through. So this AI prompt will format the events into an array that can be looped through, and then it will get filtered just to make sure that the events are for today, and then it will get passed to this Firecrawl endpoint, which is their agent endpoint, which you can read about in their documentation. Basically all it is, the way it works is you'll just send a prompt to the agent and it'll launch, and it will basically go and search the web or search whatever sources you want it to search for. So you can see in the prompt here I said find the LinkedIn of the person described here, which will be this person from my calendar event, which is just the CEO of Firecrawl, just kind of a random arbitrary guy, and give me a report so I'm ready for a meeting with them. And then I have it, I'm telling it to return a JSON object with the report, the person's name, and the company name so that we can send it via email. And so then you have this little portion here. In order to get the results from the agent, you have to wait for it to finish and just continuously poll to see if the status says complete, which obviously you can read more about that here. You can see it specifies in the response status parameter. It'll either say completed or processing, or failed if it failed for some reason. So I have some delays here just to continuously poll. This one waits 10 seconds after starting the agent, and then it will check to see if it's finished with the ID that is returned. From this first node, it will return a specific job ID that you poll to see if it's finished. And then I have this conditional node here that is checking is the status processing, and if it is, it will go to this delay down here, wait 5 seconds, and then check again until finally it says complete, which then it will go to this AI prompt to extract the company name and the report for the email, and then the email will get created. And you can see here I'm just using the MCP mode to send it via Gmail with a subject that's provided from the previous AI node, and then the report itself that is coming from Firecrawl, and then the loop will end. So it's a lot of nodes, but it's pretty straightforward. So if we come down here and we click set it to the setup node, which I just have this so that I can plug in the API key and then the email that we'll be sending from, which will be used downstream. So I click run here and it should start, and then we will wait for the full agent to finish and we'll check the results. Alright, we just finished. So if we take a look at the email here, you can see the full report. It has the person's name, Caleb, co-founder of Firecrawl. It has his LinkedIn profile, professional background, so you can see the agent went through his full LinkedIn and grabbed all these details and then suggested some discussion topics. And you could tailor this to whatever kind of service you're selling, or maybe if it's for like some sort of interview or something. You could also change the format. You would just specify that in the actual prompt that you're sending to the agent endpoint, the Firecrawl endpoint. So you would just maybe specify a different format for the email. But yeah, that is pretty much how you would build something like this inside of Glow, a lead report that you can go through before meeting with a sales prospect.